College Iamc and University Hospital of Ayurveda and Naturopathy UHAN and University of Science and Technology Meghalaya yesterday celebrated the 8th National Ayurveda Day by organizing yoga sessions, rally, lecture on Ayurveda and puja offering to the god of medicine Shri Shri Dhanvantari. Professor Dr. O.P. Gupta, retired Government Ayurvedic College and Hospital, Guwahati, delivered a lecture on the theme Ayurveda for One Health.
Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You have to change your entire personality. And sometime there may be a person come in front of you who you have no any single penny, paisa nahi. So this is great contribution of Ayurveda. Ayurveda is making people for doing more ethical physician rather than professional physician.